Most people think their morning cup of coffee gives them energy. But after 50, that same habit could quietly weaken your muscles before the day even begins. You see, caffeine speeds up water loss, and for older adults, even mild dehydration can mean lower strength, slower balance, and faster fatigue. That's why many experts from Harvard and the Mayo Clinic now highlight hydration and nutrient timing as the real foundation of morning vitality, not caffeine. In this video, you'll discover 5 powerful morning drinks that help restore strength, improve energy, and support daily stamina naturally. And stay until the end, because one surprises almost everyone over 60. Comment yes if you'd like more videos on natural ways to stay strong, energized, and healthy after 50. For decades, coffee has been the symbol of energy and focus. But what many people don't realize is that the same drink that wakes you up can also slowly drain the strength your body needs as you age. Here's why. Caffeine acts like a mild diuretic, meaning it helps the body release water faster than it replaces it. And as we get older, our bodies naturally hold less water and lose sensitivity to thirst. That combination can leave adults over 50 slightly dehydrated before breakfast even ends. According to research shared by the Harvard School of Public Health, older adults process caffeine more slowly, which can extend its stimulating effects well into the afternoon, raising cortisol, the stress hormone that makes muscles feel tense and tired instead of strong and stable. But it doesn't stop there. When caffeine replaces a nutrient-rich breakfast or delays hydration, muscle fibers may receive less oxygen and glucose, 2 ingredients your body needs to maintain steady balance and daily endurance. Let's look at a real example. Linda, a 63-year-old grandmother from Oregon, used to start every morning with 2 cups of coffee and nothing else. By late morning, she often felt shaky and lightheaded. Her doctor suggested she start her day with a glass of water first and limit her coffee to 1 smaller cup after breakfast. Within 2 weeks, Linda noticed her energy stayed stable, and even her morning walks felt lighter and more balanced. Here's the bottom line. Coffee isn't the enemy, but relying on it as your first source of energy after 50 can backfire. It's about timing, hydration, and smarter morning choices, and that's exactly what we'll explore next. Starting with drink 5. Warm lemon water with a twist. Sometimes, the simplest drink can make the biggest difference. Before you reach for that first sip of coffee, imagine starting your morning with something that refreshes, restores, and actually prepares your muscles for strength. That's where warm lemon water with a small twist comes in. Most people know lemon water supports digestion, but for adults over 50, its real benefit goes deeper. It helps the body restore pH balance and gently wake up the metabolism after a night of rest. And when served warm, not hot, it soothes the stomach and hydrates more effectively than cold water. Here's the twist. Add just a pinch of sea salt or potassium-rich mineral salt. That tiny addition helps the body absorb water more efficiently, which can directly support muscle function and reduce that stiff feeling many people experience in the morning. According to the Cleveland Clinic, adequate hydration first thing in the morning helps maintain blood volume and circulation, key factors in keeping muscles supplied with oxygen and nutrients throughout the day. Now, let's see how this works in real life. Robert, a 70-year-old retired engineer, began drinking a warm glass of lemon water with a dash of mineral salt each morning. Within 2 weeks, he noticed fewer muscle cramps and less morning stiffness in his legs. He didn't change his diet or add new supplements, just that one drink. Here's why it helps. As we age, our bodies lose small amounts of minerals through normal processes, and our ability to retain electrolytes decreases. Replenishing those minerals first thing in the morning acts like priming the system, helping muscles contract and relax more smoothly throughout the day. So before you brew your coffee tomorrow, try drinking 1 warm glass of lemon water with that tiny pinch of salt. It's a small, comforting ritual that rehydrates, balances, and gently signals your body. Today, we start strong. 4. Protein-enriched almond milkshake. After age 50, one of the biggest silent strength drainers isn't what we eat, it's what we skip. Many older adults begin their day with coffee and toast, but forget the one ingredient that protects their muscles. Protein. Without enough morning protein, your muscles struggle to repair and maintain their fibers. And since muscle naturally declines by about 1% per year after age 50, that first meal can be the difference between steady energy and afternoon fatigue. Here's where the protein-enriched almond milk shake comes in: smooth, light, and easy to digest. It gives your muscles the amino acids they crave, without the heaviness of a traditional breakfast. A simple version: blend unsweetened almond milk, half a banana, a spoon of natural protein powder or Greek yogurt, and a dash of cinnamon. It's creamy, nourishing, and supports stable blood sugar throughout the morning. According to the National Institutes of Health, spreading protein intake evenly throughout the day, starting with breakfast, helps older adults maintain muscle, mass, and strength more effectively than consuming it all at dinner. Now, meet Diane, a 67-year-old retired nurse from Arizona. She used to feel a mid-morning crash around 10 a.m. Her doctor suggested adding a light protein shake within 30 minutes of waking. Within days, she noticed her morning walks felt easier and her posture improved simply because her muscles finally had the nutrients they needed to stay active. But this isn't just about nutrition, it's about momentum. When your body receives steady protein early, your metabolism starts stronger, your balance improves, and even your mood stays steadier. Here's the key: you don't need fancy powders or bodybuilder routines. You just need a morning drink that feeds your muscles, not drains them. So tomorrow, instead of reaching for an empty cup of caffeine, reach for something that truly supports your strength from the inside out. A small shake, a small habit, a big difference. 3. Green tea with a magnesium boost. If you've ever felt jittery after coffee or noticed your energy crashing by mid-morning, you're not alone. That roller coaster feeling often comes from caffeine spikes followed by sudden dips in blood flow and hydration, and the older we get, the stronger those dips feel. That's why green tea can be a smart, gentle swap for adults over 50. It still gives a touch of natural caffeine, but it's paired with L-theanine, an amino acid that helps calm the nervous system. That means steadier focus and smoother energy, without the shaky edge. But there's one simple way to make green tea even more powerful: add a magnesium boost. Magnesium is sometimes called the strength mineral. It helps muscles contract and relax properly, supports nerve function, and balances the body's natural rhythm of rest and energy. Unfortunately, studies from the National Institutes of Health show that as people age, magnesium absorption drops, especially for those taking certain common medications or with reduced digestive efficiency. That's why even a small addition can make a noticeable difference. Try adding a few magnesium-rich chia seeds, a splash of mineral water, or a pinch of magnesium citrate powder, food grade, to your warm green tea. It blends easily, adds no flavor, and supports smoother muscle function throughout the morning. Let's look at a real story. Paul, a 72-year-old retired teacher, used to depend on coffee for energy during his morning routine. He'd feel alert for an hour, but by 11 a.m., his muscles felt heavy and his concentration dropped. After switching to a cup of green tea with a magnesium boost, he noticed something surprising. The steady calm lasted for hours. No jitters, no crash, just a quiet, balanced focus that carried him through his morning walk and daily crossword. Here's why it works. The gentle caffeine in green tea helps awaken the body, while magnesium keeps the muscles relaxed and energy steady. It's like flipping a switch from fast burn to slow, steady flame. So if your mornings feel rushed or uneven, consider swapping one coffee for a green tea with this simple magnesium upgrade. It's a small ritual that nourishes both your body and your calm and gives you the kind of quiet, lasting energy that feels good at any age. 2. Oat-based power smoothie. By mid-morning, many older adults feel that slow, heavy fatigue creeping in even after a decent breakfast. But often, the issue isn't what we eat, it's how quickly our energy burns and disappears. That's why oats, one of nature's most balanced grains, can be a morning powerhouse. For adults over 50, when blended into a smoothie, oats release energy slowly, keeping blood sugar steady and energy lasting throughout the morning. Here's the science behind it. Oats are packed with beta-glucan, a soluble fiber shown in multiple Harvard and Mayo Clinic studies to help support healthy cholesterol and steady glucose levels. For seniors, this slow energy release is crucial. It fuels your muscles and brain without the roller coaster effect of caffeine or sugary foods. But oats alone aren't enough. As we age, digestion slows, and our bodies need more hydration and nutrient density early in the day. That's why blending oats with water or almond milk, a few berries for antioxidants, and a small spoon of nut butter creates a perfectly balanced drink. Part hydration, part nutrition, and completely senior-friendly. Let's look at an example. Evelyn, a 74-year-old grandmother from Florida, used to skip breakfast and sip coffee until noon. She felt lightheaded before lunch and needed long naps in the afternoon. After watching a nutrition talk from a senior wellness expert, she began making a small oat-based smoothie each morning, just half a cup of oats, blueberries, almond milk, and a bit of honey. Within 2 weeks, she noticed something remarkable. Her energy no longer crashed before lunch, and her walks around the neighborhood felt lighter and more enjoyable. Here's what's happening inside her body. The complex carbohydrates from oats give a slow-release fuel, while the fiber supports digestion and hydration. Combined with healthy fats from nuts or seeds, the smoothie keeps blood sugar balanced and muscles nourished without any spikes or crashes. So, if your mornings feel unsteady or you often reach for another cup of coffee just to wake up, this might be the drink your body's been waiting for. Smooth, natural, and deeply satisfying, the oat-based smoothie isn't just breakfast. It's sustained strength in a glass. 1. Electrolyte-infused warm water. The morning rehydration elixir. Here's the truth: most people, over 60, never hear your body doesn't lose strength overnight. It loses hydration. While we sleep, our bodies continue breathing, repairing, and filtering, all of which use up water. So when we wake up, we're already running low. And for older adults, that small dip in hydration can make a big difference. Muscles may feel stiff, balance may feel unsteady, and energy can fade before the day even begins. It's not weakness, it's dehydration. That's why the single most powerful morning drink for restoring daily strength isn't coffee or juice. It's something far simpler: electrolyte-infused warm water. What I like to call the morning rehydration elixir. It's gentle, comforting, and incredibly effective. Warm water helps blood vessels expand, improving circulation, while electrolytes, tiny minerals like sodium, potassium, and magnesium, help every muscle cell absorb and hold on to that water where it's needed most. According to the Mayo Clinic, even mild dehydration, just 1 or 2% of body water, can cause fatigue, muscle weakness, and slower reflexes, particularly in older adults. After 60, our thirst signals become less reliable, and our kidneys conserve less water overnight. That means by morning, your body is already asking for a refill even if you don't feel thirsty yet. Now imagine this. Susan, a 68-year-old from Vancouver, used to start every day the same way. She'd wake up stiff, shuffle to the kitchen, and reach for coffee. But after years of morning fatigue, her daughter, a nurse, suggested something different. Before coffee, Susan began drinking a cup of warm water with a pinch of sea salt and a squeeze of lemon. She called it her morning tune-up. Within a week, she noticed something surprising. Her legs didn't feel heavy when she stood up. Her morning walks felt smoother. Her energy no longer dropped halfway through breakfast. Nothing else in her diet changed, only that first drink. What's happening inside her body is simple but powerful. The electrolytes help water move from the stomach into the bloodstream faster, rehydrating the cells that support balance, movement, and alertness. The warmth helps blood circulate, gently waking the body without stress. Together, they act like a silent reset button for energy and strength. So tomorrow morning, before anything else, take one slow, mindful minute. Pour yourself a cup of warm water, add a tiny pinch of mineral salt and a touch of lemon, and sip it slowly. You'll feel your body come alive, not from caffeine, but from genuine cellular renewal. Because sometimes, the strongest way to start your day is also the simplest. If there's one truth this countdown has revealed, it's that strength doesn't begin in the gym. It begins at the kitchen counter. Every sip you take in, the morning sends a message to your body. It's time to wake up, repair, and renew. So here's a simple 2-minute ritual that can transform your mornings. Start with a glass of warm electrolyte water to rehydrate and restore balance. Then choose one of the other drinks from today's list, maybe lemon water with a twist, a light protein shake, green tea with magnesium, or an oat smoothie. Follow it with a few gentle stretches or a short walk to circulate that hydration through your muscles. In just 2 minutes, you're telling every cell in your body that you're ready to move, to stay steady, and to live with energy. This isn't about restriction or perfection. It's about building a small habit that keeps you strong one morning at a time. And as thousands of healthy adults over 60 have discovered, these little routines often make the biggest difference. Here's the bottom line. You don't need another cup of caffeine to feel alive. You just need a few mindful sips that remind your body how strong it already is. So, the next time you reach for your morning coffee, pause for a moment. Ask yourself, is this fueling my day or just waking me up? Because true strength doesn't come from caffeine. It comes from nourishment, hydration, and a few mindful choices that keep your body working with you, not against you. If today's video inspired you, tap the like button and share it with a friend who deserves a stronger start to their day. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple, science-backed wellness tips designed especially for adults over 50. Now remember, these ideas are educational, not medical advice. Everyone's body is unique. So if you have any health concerns, always check with your healthcare provider. Here's to mornings filled with calm energy, steady strength, and the quiet confidence that comes from caring for yourself one sip at a time.